Hi everybody.
Hi guys.
We are getting ready to head out to Little Italy, San Diego, so this should be exciting. Looking forward to a nice, fun, sunny California day. So anyhow, we'll see you down in Little Italy, San Diego. See you there.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Well, we've made it to Little Italy. Looks beautiful out here. So Little Italy was founded in 1920s by Italian fishermen. They came over here and settled in this area. Okay. Hyundai next to her gold car. Little shops like this all up and down the street. Shops that Hyundai loves. Felipe's Pizza. They got good pizza and Italian sandwiches. Been there forever. It is extremely busy down here. You like Felipe's Pizza, babe?
Not pizza.
Not into
Yeah.
pizza?
Good.
And you can see all through down here is all kinds of outdoor restaurants, and they did this ever since COVID so they could stay open and do business outside the restaurant. But now it's open on the inside too, so. Coming into the fountain area. Stand up. Over there's the wine house. Born and raised. Map of Little Italy. Yeah, all this outside seating and stuff is all new since COVID. They didn't used to have all this, which is why it's hard to find parking, because all the parking is taken by outside eating.
Beautiful. beautiful day here in San Diego. I'm gonna
Nishim Fine Arts. That sounds Asian, not Italian. Cloak and Pedal. All different types of restaurants. Shake Shack. They got good milkshakes and such. If you look down to this direction, you'll see San Diego Harbor. And if you go down there and you take a left, you're right in Embarcadero area going towards Seaport Village. As you can see, there's a lot of different Italian places. There's a psychic.
I'm gonna go to that psychic.
Endai's visiting her neighborhood psychic.
You wanna know what? You wanna know your future? Yeah. Funny stuff.
Yeah, some future, huh? And that's where it is right there. Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa.
Shout out to Edna Haranay in Taloao, Philippines. How are you guys doing? We are here having fun. Baby Haranay, shout out. Shout out to Rafi Raboya in Taloao, Philippines. Dadang, Rose, everybody in the Philippines, my family.
It's a little butcher shop. Blue Bach Butcher. This is kind of cool. I didn't know this place was here.
Kiss.
It's like in a little Italian butcher shop, man. Hey, how you doing? That's cool. Different kinds of cuts of meat. Here, fish. People enjoying spirits.
Hello. We're just walking towards the car because we're getting hungry and we're gonna be looking for where we're gonna eat. Okay.
Heading towards our car. I think we parked down here. There's condos in the area of Little Italy. Very nice condos. They even have a veterinarian in Little Italy.
I hope you guys have a nice day and see you some other time. Okay? We love you guys and bye.
Peace out.